loves! Good morning! Open natin yung door kasi para mayroon tayong normal light. Kasi nga, medyo madilim. Hello! Good morning, loves! Dzień dobre! Witam na moim kanale Pinoy and Polish Life Vlog. Hi guys, doing today? I hope you're doing amazing! Today is Saturday and it's 8:15 in the morning. And bumalik na si Daddy sa trabaho. And then kami na lang ni Raiden yung tira. Then kagigising lang namin not long ago. Pinag-breakfast ko na siya, yung anak ko. And then now, nagpe-prepare ako loves ng for breakfast ko din and then for my husband as well. So, mag-start ulit tayo mag-diet. Nawala yung diet ko last few days. Ewan ko, ang hirap mag-diet, loves, no? Huwag na nga mag-diet. Bakit kaya nagda-diet? Gusto ko kasi yung, wag naman masyadong mataba-taba. Gusto ko yung sakto lang muna. Kasi nga, syempre, hindi naman ako nagpapapayat ng sobra. Pero, syempre, ayoko naman yung medyo, taba-taba. Tapos, magbe-baby pa kasi ako. Kaya, carry lang. So, ngayon, magluluto ako, loves, ng Vietnamese rice wrap. So, alam niyo yun, loves. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, nag-giyat-giyat na ako ng mga veg. And then, ira-wrap ko na lang siya. So, ito yung, loves, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung, loves. So, carrots, bell pepper, cucumber, and then crab stick, and then salad na veg. Maganda kung meron pa sanang meat na bacon or kaya shrimp. Kaso lang wala kaming shrimp. Naubos na nung nakaraan. So, titingnan ko yung sa bacon. Pero kung wala, ito lang muna. So, carry lang naman yan. Kasi first time kong gumawa nito, loves. So, ito yung rice, rice keneso natin. So, ito yun. Rice paper. So, let's try. First time, kasi yung kaibigan ko, loves, gumawa nito nung nakaraan, nung nag-picnic kami. So, nagustuhan ko siya. Sabi ko, try kong gumawa ng sarili. So, yun, loves. Yun, gagawin ko lang yung, loves, and then magbe-breakfast na rin ako. After nyan, marami akong nilaban kahapon. Damit namin at damit ni Raiden. So, kukunin ko siya, tutupin ko. Buti ngayon hindi super mainit. Kahapon sobrang init, loves. And then now, medyo malamig-lamig konti yung hangin. So, later on, mga lunchtime, baka mainit na naman. So, we'll see. So, yun. Hi, loves! So, ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang ginawa kong Vietnamese rice wrap. Pagpasansaan nyo na kasi first time ko to. So, wag na tayo mag-expect. Ito yun siya. Tcharan! So, ito yun, loves. Oh, naku po. Pagpasansyahan nyo na. First time ko talaga tong gumawa. So, ito yun. Siya. Yan lang ang nagawa ko. Kasi yan lang yung laman ng wrapper na nagawa ko. Isang sachet lang siya. So, yun. Sana masarap. Mayroon tayong chili sauce dito. So, eto. Partneran natin siya na itong chili sauce. So, yun. Let's eat, loves. Hi, mister. Takbo siya. Loves, tingnan mo. Tupiin ko lang. Tupiin. Kunin ko lang itong mga sinampay na to. And then, pati itong mga damit ni baby boy. And then, tupiin ko na. Ilagay ko sa taas. Yeah, kunin na natin yung sampay. Yes, and let's fold it. Yeah, and kumakain siya ng dried fruits na cranberries, loves. Oh, yummy. Nilagay niya dyan. Nakalagay siya sa sa parang plastic na nilagay dyan. Yummy. You give it to them. You share with them. Thank you. Or you share with mommy. Thank you. One more. Thank you so much. Here, look, I can get this. Are you gonna help Mama? Go! Go your slippers then. Sorry. Mom's clothes and daddy's clothes. Yes, mommy. And this is your clothes. Yeah. Can you leave it there, please? Nag-water kaya tayo loves ng grass. After nyan, ililipat ko siya doon sa side. And then after doon naman sa side para lahat ng grass na lalagyan ng tubig. And then after is tanggalin ko yung sprinkle, mag-water ito ako ng mga plants. And then later on naman afternoon. So yan niya. Yan lamps. Basa na siya, diba? Wet na yung ating grass. So nandyan na siya ngayon. And then hating doon pa sa doon. At saka isa dito. Dalawa na lang. Parang ganun. So yun. Okay na yan. And then mag-harvest tayo ng ng fruits today as well. Yung cherry namin, konti na lang kasi hina-harvest na araw-araw ng anak ko. You playing? You paddle? Paddling. So yeah. Hello loves, tayo na at mag-harvest tayo ng cherry and black currant. So eto na yung mga cherry natin loves. Yung iba niyan is ready nang i-harvest. So yung iba naman ay hindi pa. Pero may mga ngilan-ngilan talaga na ready na siya. Actually konti na lang kasi nga harvest na po ito. So harvest. Okay, get this one. I told you to. Oh, this one. Try this one. Come on. Try this one. Come on, good. Yay! And put it here. Okay. Wow, one more. Oh, good. Good. Get more. Here, get this one. Very good. One more. This one. Very good. Well done. Harvest tayo. Kuha tayo ng yung na loves. Yung mapula-pula na. Pero hindi lahat, hindi natin makukuha to lahat. Kasi yung iba hindi pa siya ready. So yung mga ready lang. Ito ready na yun. What is it? Ang dami na ito. Yun pa oh. Diba? Na-harvest ko na nga yung iba eh. Let's get black currant. Look. Black currant, loves. Ang dami. Sarap to, matamis-tamis na siya eh. I don't know kung paano ang tamang pag-harvest nito, loves. Basta ang ginagawa ko, kinukuha ko lang siya ng ganyan, oh. Ganyan. Kinukuha ko siya ng para bang it's alright. Okay. There's more, look. There's more. Look. There's more. Okay, you can get all. You can get all. Come on. Get all like this, oh. Like this, oh. Oh, get all. That's it.
Good job, Raiden.
Good job, Raiden. This is for today. We can eat strawberry, cherry. Okay, let's go. Ito na lang muna ang ating cherry, loves. Black currant and red currant. Who just finished shower? Oh, look at your nose. We have to remove something there. There's something there.
It's his nose.
Yeah, there's something there in the nose. We have to remove that.
You type it.
What time is it now? It's almost 8 p.m.
What's that?
8 p.m.
He did empty.
8 p.m. loves, pero tingnan nyo naman sikat na sikat
The
na
watch?
sa labas.
Watch.
No, because we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna sleep.
Where you?
Yes, in a
Where
minute.
you? Where
You
you?
wanna say hi to the guys?
Where you? Where you?
Rating you. I know. I know. Chiki, 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 chiki. Oh. Kinakalikot yung camera.
Where?
Kinakalikot.
Where you?
Hi, mister. Hi, what are you doing? Good morning. Oh, tingnan mo to yung ginagawa niya. Oh my God! Oh no! Oh no! Tingnan mo to, na-broke ko na siya. Wala, na-broke na siya. O, pangit na. Paano pa natin to mapabakinabangan? Ay, naku! Naku. Look at that. How I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna just put tape. Ay, nako. I broke it. Mommy broke it. I accidentally stepped on it. Sorry. Good morning. It's nice weather still. Good. Yes. Let me change your nappy, okay? I'm gonna get nappy. Okay.
Go sit apple.
It's a bitter melon.
Where's the apple?
Yes. Hi, loves. Nandito kami sa may living area. Sa may taas. Sa may big room.
Apple.
Yeah. It's a bitter melon.
Where's the apple?
Magtutupi ako ng damit. Ayan o. Ang daming tupiin. And then, habang ko to si Raiden, pinapalaro ko dito. So, magtutupi ako ng damit. Medyo ngayon, rainy little bit and cloudy. But that's okay kasi ilang araw din kaming super hot. That's banana, half banana. Yeah. Hi loves! Good afternoon! Pasensya na hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-update ng vlogs. Kasi busy kay little one. And then medyo kasi ngayon medyo masama pakiramdam ko. So, andito kami ngayon sa nagluluto ako ng fried chicken loves. Hi Raiden! Ice cream. Yes, you're eating ice cream. Katapos ko lang mag-lunch pero hindi pa ako tapos mag-prito. Eto. Nagprito tayo ng chicken. And meron pa dyan. Hindi pa siya, wait lang. Baliktarin ko lang, labs. Teka. So, yung binaliktad ko lang sa labs. Kasi nga, tapos yan, prito tayo ng chicken. And then, yung anak ko ay nasa labas. Hi! You eating ice cream? Yeah, you want to share with mommy? Oh, thank you! Thank you.
What's the weather?
Yeah.
What's the weather?
Yeah, it's you, Raiden. How's the ice cream? Nice? Delicious? Yummy? Andito lang kami sa Garden Labs, hindi kami nakalabas. Medyo kasi nagpapahinga kami, parang gusto ko sana pumunta ng park. Kaya lang, parang gusto ko magpahinga kasi ilang araw kaming super init, di ba, nung nakaraan. Sobra, halos isang linggo yun. Super ang init. Tapos, nag-ice ako ng shed ni Mister. So, parang ang katawan ko, parang gusto ko pang magpahinga. Although, hindi naman talaga totally pahinga kasi dito sa bahay, nag-aasikaso. Pero at least, hindi kami yung lumabas muna. So, baka tomorrow, tomorrow, talaga, pupunta kami ng hub kasi mag-attend kami ng stay and play niya. And then, the next day, Tuesday, another hub ulit. Para sa another session ng sa singing and dance. Yeah, and you play. Nice. Okay. Are you gonna share with mommy? Thank you. Yummy. Yum, yum. Chiki, look at you, Messi. Look at you, Messi. Clouds. Yeah, there's a clouds there. Clouds. Look at that. Ang ganda, no?
What's that?
It's beautiful clouds. There's a trees. And
A tree.
yes.
A tree.
And tree, yeah.
An ice cream.
An ice cream. Loves. Tingnan nyo naman tong anak ko.
Weather?
Oh! Kumuha ko ng sarili kong ice cream. Ngayon, gusto niyang salit-salitan kami.
Weather?
Oh.
Okay, weather.
This is mommy's ice cream and this is yours. But I can share it with you if you want. Yeah?
No?
No. Nakakita siya kanina ng airplane. Sabi niya, airplane! Yun yung dinaanan ng airplane, no? Nandun na sa
A bird.
Birds, yeah.
That's the bird it is.
We're just chilling here, yeah? Relaxing.
The world is the head of the world. The face of how whoosh.
Whoosh! You dancing and singing? Tingnan nyo naman yung upo niya, o, diba? Kala mo.
They this tita.
Ice cream. Tayo, labs, magdilig tayo ng ng plants. So, Raiden and we are going upstairs because tayo.
What's it? Fire truck.
Yes.
Fire truck.
No, that's a fire extinguisher.
Fire shifter.
Yes. Can you stay there for a while and I'm gonna just watering flowers, okay? Plants. Okay. Yes, just wait a second. Actually, loves, nakapag-dilig na ako kanina. dyan. Nung mga snake plant, pati doon at pati sa living room. So, eto na lang yung, nandito na lang sa taas. Tapos na rin yung, yung kay Mister. Yung nandito, tapos na yan. So, ito na lang din yung nandito, yung malaki. So, dilig-dilig lang tayo kasi siguro mga 1 week na rin ako hindi nagdilig. Ito kasi, hindi mo naman kailangan diligan ng araw-araw kasi ito is snake plant. So, ano lang to, low maintenance lang sila. So, yan. Yes, dito naman tayo love sa taas. Sa big room.
Thank you.
What is that?
Thank you.
Is apple.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wait a second. Oh no. Oh no. Ito yun, loves. Yung mga didiligan natin. Diba ang dami naming halamans?
Oh, thank you.
Oh dear. Oh no.
Oh, thank you.
Ipaturugin ko na to, loves. Kasi it's time to bedtime. It's time for bedtime. Yes.
Good night.
He always say good night to daddy. Good night. Okay, this way, please. This way, please. Okay, good night. You want to say good night? Good night. Good night, everyone. Oh. Good night.